Welcome back to Cerebral Mechanics. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of people worldwide, carpal tunnel syndrome. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who spends a lot of time on their phone, this video is for you. Let's explore the signs, symptoms, and management of this common condition. Carpal tunnel syndrome, or CTS, occurs when the median nerve, which runs from your forearm into the palm of your hand, becomes pressed or squeezed at the wrist. This can lead to a range of symptoms. Common signs and symptoms include numbness, tingling, and pain in the thumb, index, middle, and ring fingers. You might also experience weakness in your hand and a tendency to drop objects. Interestingly, younger generations are increasingly affected by CTS, largely due to the overuse of mobile phones. Constant texting and gaming can strain the wrist, leading to these symptoms. Carpal tunnel syndrome, or CTS, can be graded into three categories: mild, moderate, and severe. Mild symptoms are occasional and may include numbness and tingling, especially at night. Moderate symptoms are more frequent and may interfere with daily activities, such as typing or holding a phone. Severe constant pain and weakness leading to difficulty in performing even simple tasks like buttoning a shirt. Carpal tunnel syndrome can significantly impact daily life. Tasks that require fine motor skills become challenging, and the constant discomfort can be quite frustrating. Now, let's talk about management and treatment options. General care includes avoiding excessive wrist movements and taking frequent breaks from repetitive tasks. Using ergonomic tools and maintaining a neutral wrist position can help. For medical treatment, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or NSAIDs, and corticosteroid injections can reduce inflammation and pain. In severe cases, a procedure called carpal tunnel release may be necessary. This surgery relieves pressure on the median nerve by cutting the ligament that forms the roof of the carpal tunnel. Additionally, wearing a wrist splint at night and performing specific wrist exercises can alleviate symptoms. Remember, early intervention is key to managing carpal tunnel syndrome effectively. If you are experiencing symptoms, consult a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into neurological health. See you next time on Cerebral Mechanics.